These ships are absolute behemoths. 6,200 tons each? That's like moving 2 Eiffel Towers. The fact that Harricot pulled off this move with 1,600 wheels and 200 axles of hydraulic trailers is mind-blowing. It's like watching a synchronized ballet of massive proportions. This is heavy lifting and transport at its finest. Whew, that was intense. I can't imagine being behind the wheel of that runaway truck. Talk about a pucker factor. But seriously, kudos to WYDOT for conducting this test. It's reassuring to know that these arrestor systems are in place and working as intended. It's a testament to the commitment to safety on our highways. This is like watching a real-life Transformers movie. This R9800 excavator is an absolute beast. It's amazing to see how they transport and assemble these massive machines. Talk about a giant erector set. The scale of this thing is mind-blowing, and watching it in action is just mesmerizing. Whoa, check out that monster cable reel. Weighing in at 500 tons and riding on 184 tires, it's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Watching this behemoth move through the streets of Worksop is mind-blowing. It's a true testament to the incredible engineering and logistics behind heavy transport. Wow, this is dirt-slinging poetry in motion. Those K-Tech 1233 ADT scrapers are an absolute dream to watch. The way they glide over the terrain, effortlessly scooping up massive loads of topsoil, is mesmerizing. And that ox block push loading system? Pure genius. It's like watching a well-choreographed dance of heavy machinery. WL Contracting is clearly onto something here. Their efficiency is off the charts. I thought parallel parking my SUV was hard. These guys are maneuvering a 1088-ton tower like it's nothing. Seriously though, this is incredible. It makes me feel like my driving skills are absolutely pathetic. I can't even imagine the level of concentration and skill required to operate those SPMTs. Hats off to the entire team involved in this project. This is a masterclass in heavy hauling. Hani's clearly knows their stuff. The way they've configured those 3 trucks to evenly distribute the weight of the 39.5-meter beams is impressive. It's like watching a perfectly synchronized ballet of steel and machinery. I'm curious about the challenges they faced on this particular route. From the video, it looks like they had to navigate some tight squeezes and negotiate with traffic. It's a reminder that heavy hauling isn't just about having the right equipment. It's also about careful planning and expert execution. Witnessing the Schwertransport 104-ton yacht project unfold is nothing short of a technical symphony. From Rotterdam's bustling docks to the meticulous navigation up the Rhine to Dusseldorf's Messe Boot 2024, every step showcases precision engineering. The Liebherr crawler crane delicately constructs bridges from shore to pontoon, underscoring the logistical ballet required. Imagine the sheer weight and scale of these yachts, snugly cradled by low loaders and lifted with mathematical precision. I stumbled across this video and I'm hooked. I had no idea that transporting giant gas turbines was such a complex operation. It's like watching a real-life game of Tetris, but with way higher stakes. The footage of the turbine moving through the streets is awesome. It gives you a whole new perspective on the size and scale of these machines. And the music is surprisingly epic. Who knew that heavy hauling could be so dramatic? Check out those Fendt tractors in action. The Fendt 939 and Komatsu 951 make an impressive team, especially with the Komatsu 951 unloading from the Fendt 939 and Ebert low bed. Truly some damn good tractors. He deserves the Driver of the Year award for this, maneuvering a log truck loaded at 16 meters through a spectacular turn in the mountains of the Hautes Alpes, showcasing extraordinary finesse and exceptional loading skills. Truly impressive. Dive into the heart of precision logistics with Menugo's transport of a 240-ton low-pressure turbine rotor. With dimensions measuring 13.5 m in length, 5 m in width, and standing at 4.5 m, this undertaking is a testament to engineering excellence and logistical finesse. Follow the journey as specialized transport vehicles meticulously navigate tight turns and strategic routes, overcoming challenges posed by urban landscapes and varying terrains. Menugo's seamless execution, from the initial planning stages to the final positioning, showcases their unparalleled capability in handling oversized cargo. This project not only highlights their technical expertise, but also underscores their commitment to delivering monumental tasks with unparalleled efficiency and professionalism. How can people not like this? This is 100% pure action with snow and trains. Imagine turning your head right as the train is completely hidden by snow. Just seeing this giant snowstorm barreling towards you. This video is giving me serious career goals. I've always dreamed of operating heavy machinery like that Cat 6015. The sheer power and precision of these machines is awe-inspiring. It's incredible to see how they're transported and put to work in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Whoa, that Fintech 542 screener is a beast. And watching Fasula's heavy transport maneuver it through those tight mountain roads is like watching a ballet with a monster truck. Those switchbacks are insane and the drivers handle them like absolute pros. It's clear they've got the skills and experience to tackle any terrain. Plus, the scenery is breathtaking. It's like a nature documentary mixed with a heavy haulage thriller. I stumbled across this video and I'm hooked. I had no idea that transporting giant generators was such a complex operation. It's like watching a real-life game of Tetris, but with way higher stakes. The drone footage is awesome. It gives you a whole new perspective on the size and scale of these machines. And the music is surprisingly epic. Who knew that heavy hauling could be so dramatic? Crude hauler recovery. Some roads are just unforgiving, but with the M1070, we can get it back in operation efficiently and safely, no matter the weather. This big, beautiful beast doesn't need roads where it's going. Whoa, witness the madness of drag racing with Peterbilt versus Vincent Couture. The insane torque twists the cabins, making it a wild ride from the starting line to the finish. The power and speed on display are unbelievable, truly a spectacle of raw engineering. Wow, I wonder what the weight and length of that vessel are. It's truly impressive how they managed to transport it. As someone who's worked in logging for years, I'm blown away by this rig. Most timber trucks would get swallowed whole by that mud. But this Ural just powers through like it's nothing. I'm curious about the tires. They look like Kraz tires, but I've never seen them on a Ural before. Must be a custom setup. Whatever they are, they're doing the job. This truck is a testament to the resourcefulness of loggers everywhere. This Truck modular trailer is a beast. The specs on this thing are impressive, especially that 45-ton axle load and the flexibility of the axle spacing. The ability to combine it with various Goldhofer THP models makes it incredibly versatile for hauling all sorts of heavy loads. The drop deck features are particularly interesting. That 250-ton payload capacity on the drop deck alone is substantial, and the option to boost it to 450 tons with a spread loading beam is a game changer. Plus, the foldable outriggers and built-in hydraulic jacks make loading and unloading a breeze. Oh my goodness, I thought it was illegal to use that for commercial purposes. Wow, it's impressive to see the British Army HETs and Metcalf Farms transporters carrying armored vehicles back to base. Those tank transporters are certainly busy now that this exercise has concluded. Whoa, today's all about crazy log trucks. Watch a Peterbilt 359 Classic with a 3,406 BCAT and full lockers. My brother hauls 70,000 kilograms up a tough hill near Devlin on with chains on the rear axle. Impressive. This super load is a beast, and it's clear that Edwards Moving and Rigging knows how to handle oversized cargo. The precision and coordination required to move something this massive is mind-blowing. I'm curious about the engineering that goes into these specialized trailers. The sheer weight and size of that tank must require some serious innovation. The 450-ton transformer accident on the River Rhine involved a transporter weighing 130 tons, a ship weighing 1184 tons, and a 45-ton pusher, secured with wire ropes to a 30-ton truck and 50-ton crane. The mishap resulted in a 1.5-meter forward pull, causing the camera to wobble due to the 1,800-ton ship slipping on the ramp. It was reminiscent of an earthquake. Clearly, someone must have miscalculated. Such incidents should never occur. This video is truly impressive, but if you look closely, there's something surprising you might notice. Drop a comment below if you spot it. Bravo to the driver of the logging truck for navigating that hairpin bend in the forest. In rainy weather, his professionalism and skill are truly commendable. He deserves all the credit and respect for such an exceptional performance. Well done. Wow, impressive at a hairpin turn. The moon rocket rolls towards Burghausen and Markthal, with drivers navigating an unusual convoy, even for the Altotting district, known for heavy transport. What a sight. Whoa, this is a sight to behold. Seeing a Cat 6015B disassembled like this is a rare treat. It really puts into perspective the sheer size and complexity of these mining behemoths. That 14.6-ton bucket capacity is insane. No wonder they call it a super machine. Kudos to Sotiriades Mining Works for documenting this process, and to MMC family for the excellent video production. This is top-notch content for us mining gearheads.
Opa, opa.
170 tons of steel and 4 kilometers of cable? That's not just a heavy load, it's a logistical nightmare. This video is a masterclass in specialized transportation. The way those drivers navigate those hairpin turns with pinpoint precision is mind-blowing. Major props to the entire Whipfly Garaventa team for pulling this off. You can tell they're seasoned pros, with nerves of steel and the experience to handle any unexpected challenges. This is the kind of project that makes you appreciate the incredible skill and coordination that goes into building modern infrastructure. Griment's Zeno Cable Convoy, transporting cables for the Griment's Zeno cable car connection with a convoy stretching 39 meters and weighing 170 tons. 2 police vehicles open the road for this massive load. While many people dislike drones, the shots they capture are incredibly fascinating. It's amazing that this bridge can handle an 85-ton truck. The static engineer must have spent weeks calculating to give the green light for this transport. Whoa, check out that cable drum. 65 tons of pure steel is no joke. This video is a testament to the impressive engineering that goes into transporting such massive loads. The precision and control of those specialized vehicles are mind-blowing. You can see the incredible torque and traction they possess as they navigate those tight turns and steep slopes. This power tiller has to be one of the hardest pieces of equipment to drive. But with skilled drivers at the helm, even the most difficult control is mastered. Incredible. Alois and his MAN TGX 33.640 are a well-oiled machine. Shout out to Florian, Roland, and Edmund for piloting that T50 like pros. This is the kind of teamwork that keeps the forestry industry running smoothly. Can't wait to see this beast in action. Join the Dark Deer on an exhilarating journey as we transport a John Deere 1910G to its new workplace in Norway. This powerful machine is a must-see for heavy machinery enthusiasts. Watch as we skillfully load it onto a trailer and embark on the adventure to its new home. I can't help but wonder if this is a truck or a boat as it powers through that muddy bog. Holy moly, that anode vessel is a certified unit. 572,000 pounds? That's like hauling a small naval ship across the desert. The dual-lane 15-axle perimeter frame trailer is a beast in its own right. The Roosevelt Lake Bridge footage is wild. Seeing the concrete flex under that kind of weight is a reminder of the immense forces at play. Major kudos to the crew for navigating this behemoth safely and efficiently. You guys are the real MVPs of the mining industry. Watching that Kraz Soviet off-road monster truck struggle through the mud is a sight to behold. The skilled driver, low tire pressure, and perfect gear ratio made the drive possible. But let's give a shout out to the real hero here, the person filming. How did they keep the camera so steady on such rough terrain? Amazing! That's not just heavy hauling, that's an entire industrial ballet. 124 axle lines of SPMT moving vessels that weigh over 1 million pounds each? And they built their own temporary dock? This is like watching a real-life game of Tetris, but with massive industrial equipment instead of blocks. The precision and coordination involved in this operation are mind-blowing. Deep South Crane and rigging are the unsung heroes of the logistics world. Whoa, this is intense. That mountain pass looks treacherous. This is why they call it the most dangerous pass in Southeast Asia. Even without a massive load like that. 2 Sony crane trucks? That's gotta be at least 70 tons of pure steel. My heart's pounding just watching this. I really hope everyone's okay. This is a stark reminder of the risks these drivers take every day.
Được rồi. Cái xe đã bị mất đà rồi các bạn ơi. Rồi, lên rồi. Lên rồi, lên rồi. khúc cua phía trên nữa này các bạn này. Không lên được rồi các bạn ơi. Đó.
Whoa. Witness the beastly Kenworth T659 hauling a jaw-dropping 54 tons of timber like it's nothing. This powerhouse storms through the roads with sheer strength and precision. Absolutely impressive and awe-inspiring. Whoa! This is what I call serious heavy hauling. That combustion chamber looks like it could house a small car. 390,000 pounds? That's like stacking 100 SUVs on top of each other. The logistics involved in moving something that massive must be mind-blowing. Shout out to the engineers and drivers who make this kind of project possible. This is the stuff of legends. As someone who works in logistics, I'm always fascinated by the challenges of transporting oversized cargo. This video is a great example of the coordination and expertise required to move these high-value boats. The way Witten Road Haulage navigates those narrow roads and tight turns is impressive. And East Cork Crane Hire's lifting operation is a thing of beauty. It's clear that both companies have a deep understanding of the physics involved and the experience to execute flawlessly. Wow, the footage of transporting those massive 50-meter concrete beams in India is truly impressive. The traffic situation seems incredibly complex, and the operators have to work extremely hard to manage everything. This is the kind of project our planet needs. Acciona's San Gabriel wind farm is a major step towards reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and combating climate change. The fact that it will generate enough clean electricity to power over 270,000 homes is a huge win for the environment. It's inspiring to see companies like Acciona leading the way towards a more sustainable future. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We hope you were captivated by these groundbreaking innovations. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling content. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We hope you were captivated by these innovations. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thrilling content. See you next time.